Hi, my name is Azam Izzatul Hadi from the class 9B, and today we will make a very simple egg. And the first ingredient you need is the egg itself. The second one is the pan. The third one is the spatula. And the fourth one, some cooking oil. And the fifth one is the plate. So put your pan on the stove, pour some cooking oil on it, heat up the stove to medium heat, and let it sit for 1 minute. And after 1 minute pass, grab your egg, crack it, and then pour it into your pan. Let it cook for 2 or 4 minutes, and after 4 minutes passes, you'll see your egg has a crust on it, so that means it's done. Also, don't forget to turn off your stove. Then grab your plate, take the spatula from earlier, take the egg out of the pan, and dry it from the excess oil. Then put your egg on the plate, and there you have it, your own fried egg. Serve either with some rice or some noodles, it's up for you. Well, enjoy!